Thank you for your time today. I'm so delighted to have been able to hear from you words of wisdom and words of insight. I will do my very best to make this conversation into a resource for young people in religious education in school. He's been able to give me there some very profound insights into the teachings of the Prophet and into the teachings of the Holy Quran, but also to make those really practical in relation to what pupils might do, what young people might do in the coming generation as they face these environmental crises. And then I've wanted to ask him about the work of Ahmadiyya Muslim communities in peacemaking, and he's had some tremendous examples to share there of how the Prophet's example of leading peacefully is translated into the contemporary world. And then I wanted to ask him as well about spirituality and the ways in which young people in particular perhaps can find their true humanity in the service of God. And he's spoken to us there, spoken very wonderfully about the importance for young people of finding their right relationship with their Creator.